Alright, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy T. I'm back today with a beater box worth $765. This is not the box I wanted. I wanted the $1,000 box, but somebody carjacked your boy. I had a $1,000 box in my cart, got carjacked. So whoever carjacked me, I hope you have an amazing box. But this is my box, $765, man. We're gonna jump right in. These come from Soul Supremacy out of California. You guys that been watching me long enough know about Soul Supremacy, probably the best in the business. I say that every video, especially when it comes to mystery boxes. They're a consignment shop, and they do their thing, man. They up there with Flight Club and all the best. So I mean, it's not too much more to say about them. But this box again, $765. Without wasting too much of you guys' time, we're gonna jump right in. Literally just came to my house less than an hour ago, so let's get it all the way open up before we try to open it. Alright. Well, off top, I got two pair without boxes. Never had these in hand. These are in great shape. These are a size 8.5 Radio Raheem Retro 2s. These are, I'm gonna say they're dead stock. No box, dead stock. Maybe tried on, so not dead stock, but they no dirt on the bottoms at all of these. The leather is actually pretty nice on these. These are pretty nice. Radio Raheems. Cannot remember the name of these. I've had them before. These are Retro 3, size 12. Look like some good beaters. We'll need some cleaning and restoration work on them, paint and all of that. Size 12. Retro 3, I cannot remember the name of those for nothing right now. Rest of these do come with boxes. Kid size 7. Got the Soul Supremacy tag on there, which means they're probably dead stock. Retro 12. Retro 12, I think the name of these are called Deep Royals. And I just seen my boy get these in his beater box. But these are dead stock. These are a size 7. Very clean. Like they got some paper or something in the tread. Dead stock pair of Deep Royals, 7Y. Super dope. Never had these in hand. I would love to have these in my size. These are fire. These are fire. Those will probably sell really fast. I'm holding off on this Retro 1 box. I don't even want to see the size yet. I hope it's my size. I pulled out a 3 that's my size though. We got a Retro 3 size 11. Just shipped off some of these. Actually just got paid for these on GOAT. I just sold some of these. These are crazy. These are my size. I don't have these. I wish they had the Nike Air on the back. I've had a lot of these. I don't have any in my personal collection. But these being 11, they are a little worn. Too worn for me to keep, I think. See if my boy might be able to clean them up for me. See how clean he can get them. I don't know yet. These may be up for sale. Hit me up if you want them. All the prices for everything that's in this box will be down in the description. A lot of stuff haven't been making it on eBay lately. Been getting a lot of local love, and a lot of you guys hitting me up buying straight, you know, through Gmail or whatever. So I haven't had to put anything on eBay, fortunately, and GOAT, of course. So check the description down below. I'll try to keep it updated and all that good stuff so you guys can know it's already sold. I see a box down here that says Supreme on it. I know nothing about Supreme. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I just know it has some value. Jordan New Jack 3/4 high men, size 10.5. These, I don't know. This must be a replacement box. We got some copper 17s. I don't know if this is the OG release, and it probably is. Yeah, this is the original release. Size 10.5. They got something sticky on the side. I wish I wouldn't have touched it. That is disgusting. Beater box, man. Sometimes you get beaters. No funk or nothing, they just really dirty. We got a couple projects in this box for my restoration people. I'm still holding off on that one box. I don't know what it is. I think I just seen the money shoe. I think this is the money shoe. I'm gonna hold off on that too. And it's happens to be my size, people. Happens to be my size. We got some Jordan 21, size 10.5. Had these before. These really don't have too much value. Jordan 21s. It's a dope box. Comes with the pouch and the extra little air bubbles on the inside, so you can stick down in the insole. So you can switch out the cushioning for your liking. Size 10.5. Air Jordan 21. Hit me up if you need them. I'm gonna do the one box first now, because I don't think the one is the money shoe. The one is not my size. The one is a size 12. Okay. Bruh. I waited all this time to open up one box just to pull some 5s. I think these are the Neymar 5s. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what these are. These were pretty hyped up when they first dropped. The value of them dropped. They still have some value to them. A little bit of creasing in the toe box. The bottom's not too bad. Still very clean on the sides. Let me see, make sure it's the right size. This is a size 11.5, so this isn't a size 12 at all. These are size 11.5. Not too bad, man. Not too bad. Retro 5. I'm spinning it around. Can y'all see that? Retro 5 lows. I actually like these when they dropped. I'm guessing these little lace locks came out of this box. I think I only got one lace lock, unless they're somewhere else in the shoe. Alright, we done went through all of this. Get to these. Never had these. Might be keeping these. I don't know. They're probably dead stock, because all the rest of the shoes in this box wasn't that hot. We got a Supreme down here. We got that black Nike on the top. And they're not dead stock, I don't think. But we got the Supreme Uptempos. These are fire. This is a really hyped up shoe. Supreme and Nike. And a really good size. Let me double check the shoe size. Size 11. This is a really good size, really good shoe. Happy to have it. These are fire. Dang, these are nice. Actually, I really like these. I really like the OG ones better, but these are cool, man. I'm not a big Supreme guy like that. I'm not really into the whole hype beast thing. I just feel like we're all too uniquely created to be hype beasts. That's just my spiel, which I don't want to hear me preaching on the channel. If you like it, you like it. If you don't buy it because everybody else like it. But anyway, we got some Supreme and Nike. Very dope. I'll pull the other one out for you guys. These will probably be up for sale. The more I look at them, the more I kind of realize I already have a lot of red shoes. A lot of red and white shoes. I kind of need some diversity in the collection. They are used, but they are in pretty good shape. Yeah. First time seeing these in hand. I think I've seen them on a couple people's feet. But of course I didn't like flag nobody down to walk up on them or nothing. But they cool. I mean, it wouldn't hurt for me to keep them, but they'll probably be up for sale. Alright, so that's gonna do it for, man, the 765 box. I just got back from the gym. About to get ready to go to work. Appreciate you guys coming back, watching these videos. As always, all the prices will be down in the description. Hit me up on Instagram. You can hit me up on TGOTSOLE@gmail.com. On Twitter, TGOTSOLE, man, just hit me up any way you can. If you local, you probably already know a way to get in touch with me or see me flying through traffic. Y'all, let me know what y'all like, man. Did I get a good deal on this box? Nah, I don't really know what the value of these are actually yet until I do my whole little research thing, but this was an alright box, I think. But I'm gonna quit rambling, man. I'm out. Peace.